Across the Miami Valley, patients of Kettering Health say they are feeling the impact of the May cyber attack. While Kettering Health leaders say the technical issues are resolved, many people say things are far from normal at their local offices and hospitals. 2 News reporter Aaliyah Seabrooks is digging deeper, talking to several of these patients about their experiences. Aaliyah?
Brooke, I spoke with Kettering Health patients, and they tell me that some local facilities in the health network still do not have working phones and are relying on paper forms, and that staff are working a lot harder to take care of their patients.
But I just say thank you to all of them because they're amazing people.
Anita Sackenheim says Kettering Health employees are working even harder more than a month after the cybersecurity attack. The loss of access to several major online systems from the attack has resulted in changes at local offices and hospitals until a full recovery can be made, something that patients say is making more work for hospital staff.
I actually felt sorry for the staff, because I knew that it was much more work for them and it was something that they were not used to doing. And
we spoke to several patients who tell 2 News that facilities being forced to use paper forms means longer wait times. This is because without computer access, filling out lengthy forms by hand can be more time consuming.
They would run it to the lab. They would run to the ER to get what they needed. They would run to all the different places where usually they would have somebody. They would do it through the computer.
There are also several people who are struggling to get their prescribed medication filled. People tell 2 News that they have to go to their doctor's office in person to get a written prescription and then take that to the pharmacy. This is because some local pharmacies are not able to get into contact with local hospitals and doctors' offices. People like Carrie Corthell says that for elderly patients, this is a scary situation.
Total lack of communication for any issue is very frightening.
She says those who are able to make it to their offices are met with delays and long wait times.
And there were a lot of us old folks in this Years Ahead office who were just standing in line waiting and waiting until somebody could talk to us.
Kettering Health says that they are still working towards getting back to normal operations, but there is no clear time frame for how long the effects of the cyber attack could linger. In the newsroom, Aaliyah Seabrooks, 2 News.